here next to you. Hello, how are you today? You've been having some abdominal pains. Yep, I have you right here in the system, so I came in to check up on you today. My name is Lee, and I'll be doing your whole assessment regarding the concern that you've been having. So it looks like, how long have you been having that abdominal pain for? Okay, and is it on a certain side or can be anywhere? Okay. Have you noticed any skin changes to the area at all? Okay. And you're not seeing any bulge or mass whenever you like crunch up or anything? Okay. And is it like a dull achy pain? Is it a sharp stabbing pain? And any change to your bowel movements at all? Are you constipated, having episodes of diarrhea? Okay. Happened once before. Okay. Seeing any skin striations or like marks on your abdomen? No rashes, nothing like that? And there was no trauma to the area, correct? Okay. Having any fever or chills? Okay. And then aside from high blood pressure, any other medical conditions we should be aware of? Okay. Don't mind that noise. They've got a lot going on outside of the clinic today. Okay, so it sounds like what I will need to do for you today is a full comprehensive abdominal exam. I'll be doing a lot of analyzing, general skin, looking, pen light. We'll be checking your sensation for vibration, just kind of air response. I'll be listening to your bowel sounds. So really just a really long abdominal examination today. Would that be all right with you? Awesome. So what I'm gonna do, if it's okay with you, is I'm just gonna put everything in the system here, and then I'm gonna be taking your vitals, and then I'll leave you with some gowns, and you can just get undressed top-wise. There'll be a gown that you'll wear just for me to have access for the abdominal exam, okay? Yeah, absolutely. So let me just get your chart started here. Do you have absolutely any questions? Okay, cool. All right, so let me open up for some vital signs here. Okay, so we're just going to take your blood pressure. We have a updated weight on file, so just a blood pressure and a temperature check just to make sure your temperature isn't rising for whatever reason. So let me set this to the side. Let me push this over just so I can do all of that for you. All right, so in the middle, we've done some organizing in this office. It's super nice. Let's see. Grab some of these. This will be for later. Put that on my table there. And then we're gonna assess your temperature. Almost dropped. How, aside from the vague abdominal pain, how have you been feeling today? Otherwise, your mood's been good? Good. Oh, I've been good. Thank you for asking. It was really hard to find the motivation to come to work today, but yes, the little one has been keeping me awake at night, so that's probably why. Okay. Put that here. I'm just gonna do this arm over here, okay? Awesome. Alright, I'm just gonna put your arm down there. There you go. Just gonna tighten it a little bit. There you go. Alright. Okay, it's all ready for you. I'm all reset. Give me 1 second. Blood pressure is normal. Let me get that air out here before I take it off. Okay. You can just slide your arm out. There you go. Very good. This way, and then we'll do our temperature check. This is going to be underneath the tongue, okay? Exactly. Let me put this away. Perfect. Okay. And I'll jot down your blood pressure here before I forget. That was the system. That was your... Perfect. Alrighty. These here. Alright, this is going to go right underneath your tongue. Is normal. Let me just put these 2 things away here. Yeah, I know it even has wheels. Super convenient for sure. Alright, temperature is good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead with getting you your abdominal exam. I'm going to step out of the curtain here just to give you some privacy. I did leave a drape here at the end of the bed for you. You'll just put this on, and then, like I said, full comprehensive abdominal exam. Do you not consent to any portions of it, or are you okay with inspection, palpation, listening? Awesome. Okay, so let me put all of this here. I am going to finish All right, I am going to give you some privacy here, and then I'll be back in for your abdominal exam. All right, I am coming back in now. You all good to go? Perfect. All right, so I am just going to take a seat here next to you. I'm going to put on my gloves. And of course, if at any point of this examination you're uncomfortable, please just let me know. Okay, so I'm just going to move this over a little bit. I'm just going to unbutton this. I will, of course, button them back up once we're done. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to start with like a general assessment. And then I'm just going to be kind of making notes as we go along here, okay? Awesome. Just going to write out, or just draw out the quadrants of your abdomen just to see if we find anything. Okay, So you're just going to feel my hands. I apologize if they're cold. Just taking a look at the skin to make sure there's no redness, irritation, or anything like that. I am going to take a pen light now just to get a little bit of a better inspection. Okay. Doing okay? Good. And when would you say your last episode was that you've had that pain? Okay. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything suspicious. Okay. Very good. And you haven't been able to see anything, correct? Okay, just making sure. Let me see what's actually here in your chart. Okay, yeah, just kind of confirming. Alright, I would say skin inspection is all complete. Everything looks good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to press on your abdomen here, okay? Yep, let me actually stand up a little for this just to apply pressure properly. You let me know if any pain. And I'm kind of going to go across all 4 quadrants. This is more of like a superficial pressing. Okay, now I'm going to press a little bit deeper here. Just a little bit of tenderness there. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Almost done with the pressing here. Any pain when I press there? And what about when I press there? And what about here? Okay, all right, good to know. Let me just jot all that information down. So right there. Excellent. Okay. Next thing that I am going to do is I am going to percuss, where I just kind of tap on your abdomen for this section, okay? All right. I'm just going to be listening to the sounds. They're doing some sort of construction outside of this office, so apologies for that. Okay, let's try double. Okay, you're doing great. Okay, I'm gonna go around one more time. Give me a second. And then in specific areas here. Okay, very good. Next step is I'm just going to take a listen to your bowel sounds. You don't have to do anything for this. Great. Okay. Completely listen to your bowel sounds. Nothing abnormal there. Next up here is we're going to test your sensation with vibration. So if you could close your eyes and just let me know when you feel this on your abdomen and at what side. Yep, you're noting vibration, not sound. Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Yeah, the sound is there to trick you. Okay. All right, do that one more time. You just keep telling me where. Great, good job. That was awesome. Okay. Next, I'm going to take a cotton swab. You just let me know when you feel something soft. You're going to continue to keep your eyes closed. Okay? Good. Doing great. Mm-hmm. Good. Very good. Excellent. Awesome, awesome. You did great. All right. Last part here is I'm just going to blow some air to see if there's any muscle tensity in the area. So you don't really have to do anything, just relax. Again, you're just going to feel some air, okay? Just so you have a better idea, like right here. Yep, that's what it's going to feel like. Okay, no abnormal response to that. So that's great. Excellent. So we have basically done all of the assessment components to your exam here. I think, I'm going to definitely write you some orders right now just for us to get some imaging of your abdominal area. I'm thinking an ultrasound and CT just from the pain. There were various locations that definitely brought about discomfort for you, but no other abnormalities that I'm seeing today, which is great. Yes, so let me write out those orders for you. And you can actually take that once you're outside of here to check out, so that'll be good. And then probably will be better if I just take off my gloves. Let me put that order into the system here. Give me a second. And if you're able to, try and call and get that scheduled today, because the girls at checkout will give you the number, okay? Okay, should be all set computer-wise. Let me just put some sanitizer on here. And let me get this button back up for you. Apologies. I almost forgot. There you go. I will give you some privacy now. You take your time, especially if you're feeling a little uncomfortable right now. But I will give you some privacy. You have that script, so whenever you're ready, you can see the girls at checkout, and they'll be able to give you the number to schedule that ultrasound, okay? Absolutely. It was not a problem at all. Thank you for your time. And we will, well, not necessarily want to see you next time, but in better spirits next time, right? All right, very good. I'll see you later.